Why do I feel like I linger between...
Can you guys see the cute little bow that I've done? Is it so cute? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see today, I have filmed my first Valentine's makeup tutorial. Gone a little bit crazy with the glitter and the gems and the effects. I love it. Last year, I did a bunny. This year, I'm doing a skull. Next year, who the hell knows. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to subscribe to me. It's right underneath you on the red button. Also press the bell, follow me on my social media, like the video. You guys know the drill. Just make sure you press everything on your screen and then you'll be good. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought, if you thought it was total crappage or whether you thought it was really, really cool. Do you want to see more? Then just let me know. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Until the very last hour. We still got few more days to slay. It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all,